I think the biggest thing is finding the question marks in the challenge in their business. Because if they find the question marks from that, don't focus on the tech. First, focus on the problems and the situations that you're solving for and how your team can make that better. The challenge is making the product as simple as possible to get to whatever it is they're trying to do with your product. And one of the things is that when you start trying to use AI, right now, most of the interfaces that the media is talking about the most are require the customer to type in a prompt and get a response back. So it's response in, response out. If it's a bad response in, you may never get the answer that you're hoping to get out of the AI. We use a framework called problem framing, and that whether or not you know the problem or you don't know the problem, you can get to what the root problem is. And then you can prioritize that list of problems to get to what are the ones that are really the big bets that you're going to use to make progress and to meet the expectations of that particular customer. Then it goes from there into design thinking, which is an industry standard framework for solving whatever that problem is, coming up with ideas. We love to think of all the absurd and crazy ideas that you could come up with. That framework was developed by IDEO, another big innovation company, a number of years ago. And we use that framework to get to what the potential solution is. Once you get to the point that you have a particular product, the last part of that step is you don't want to be disintermediated by your competition within a week after you get that particular solution out into the market. We've developed a futures framework that point out signals, and those signals can allude to where the future could be going to. Then you can take action on protecting your particular product or service or solution from being disintermediated in a short amount of time. You have to think about what the customer's usage is and then look at, okay, do I need an offline mode to be able to process this? Everyone's focused on AI. We love AI. We have done 15 plus projects in AI, and we think that it's going to be a benefit. But if you jump directly to AI, you're going to miss the actual problem, and the customer may not even use whatever the solution that you develop is.